how you can fix your BeReal not working. One of the main steps to fix any errors in BeReal is to uninstall the app by going to Play Store and then reinstalling it. And then you need to tap on your app. And since this is the very first time that I'm doing it, you need to enter your phone number and then wait for the verification text. Once your account is verified, you need to type your first name. And then to create a username, I'll write Timmy Jimmy. Okay, no special character. Timmy Jimmy. Not available. Timmy. 1, 2, 3. And then click on continue. You need to give access to your contacts. And then all the people who are in your contacts will be synchronized here. You just need to wait for it. These are my contacts who are on BeReal and whom I can invite on BeReal as well. Let me skip this part. This is how your profile seems to look like on BeReal. It is this easy to solve all the problems and hustles that you have on BeReal.